Hey. Hello beautiful people, how are you doing? It's another beautiful morning here, and I wanna welcome you all. So the morning is beautiful, guys. It's a Friday, and give thanks to the Almighty God. I always say that whenever you wake up in the morning, just try to give thanks to the Lord, because not all of us are seen this day here, and if at all you're gonna watch the video, just know that you're alive and kicking, and you need to give God a big thank you. So first of all, I want to thank God for this chance here, another day here. It's a blessed morning. Actually, it's around the time I'm filming this video is just around 10 a.m. So actually it has been raining in the village here, and I've been facing a lot of challenges in terms of posting my videos and everything there. I do use data to upload my videos, and when it rains, there's a problem in the network and everything there. So sometimes it takes even 2 days, 3 days, before even I upload a video. Actually, I wish I had a Wi-Fi somewhere. It could be good. I wish I had a Wi-Fi in the home here, so that when I upload a video, I can easily, when I do a video, I can easily upload it, But again, I want to thank you all those who have been supporting me. May God bless you wherever you are. Those who have been watching my videos, support is amazing. Sharing the videos, thank you very much there. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. And if you are new to this channel here, I am Onga Junior. I bring videos from Africa, from Kenya, and in my videos we adventure, we travel, and we also do a lot of lifestyle vlogs, how people live in their villages. And if you get time, we travel in towns, different places. This cow here, this cow is licking me here. The cow is licking. This is called Rose. So we travel to different places, and we show the world how it looks like. So thank you very much if I told you have been supporting me here. So in this video here today, I want to show you the summer trees we bought. Actually, the trees were just a subscriber who bought the trees. In Kenya, we are celebrating Mazingira Day, or Environmental Day. We call it environmental. And before I forget, by the way, today is International Girl Child Day. Today is an International Girl Child Day. So happy International Girl Child Day to every girl, every woman in this my channel who wanna watch the video here. Enjoy the day, keep safe, and do the necessary. So I want to show you, it's a gift from one of my subscribers, and just to embrace the day, celebrate that holiday which was yesterday, Mazingira Day, or Environmental Day. So we want to look for a place where you can plant those beautiful trees there. And before we do that, guys, I just want to a quick update on the crops we planted here, the maize, the corns. Just want to give you a very quick update. The stage they have reached, actually they're growing very quick. I can't complain. And the only thing remaining now is to do a top dressing. You will need to do a top dressing on the corn. So I'm gonna show you how they look like. I'm gonna show you how the corns are. So let's move down to the garden there. There's just a mini garden there. There's also another big garden somewhere else. I will also be updating you on the progress and how they are doing there. So actually, and even the mangoes, you can see the mangoes are doing good as well. I'm very pleased. You can see them, the mango, though they are still small, but you can see them. This time around, they have really tried. They have really tried, They have really tried. So this ones probably will be ready by December. They will be ready by by the end of by the end year. That's last month of the year, December. And the guavas are here. You can see the guavas here. You can see the guavas here. So let me just show you guys the stages or the progress of this garden here before we plant the trees. So I want to show you the trees. They're beautiful trees actually, and it was a big surprise, and I really thank you support. That's really amazing. So you can see the corns, how they are doing, plus the beans. These are the beans, the bean plant. You can see they're still young, but the progress is okay. As you can see, we are weeding the land. We are weeding the land here, and the thing remaining here is to do a top dressing, you know, to do a top dressing here, to do a top dressing, which of course maybe probably by next week we're gonna do a top dressing on these crops here. We're gonna do a top dressing in the crops here. So the crops are doing good, guys. It is raining, and we thank the Lord for that. So this another type of vegetable. This one's called pumpkin leaves. This is the pumpkin leaves. You can see this vegetable is very sweet always. I love it. The pumpkin leaves, you can see it, how it is growing here. It's amazing. So and in down here in the garden, in the banana garden or banana plantation here, there is somebody who stole some of our bananas here, you know. But I think there's nothing wrong with that, because when somebody takes food, I always say that though you should ask for food, but it's not a big deal when somebody takes maybe a banana to go and eat. The only thing he or she did wrong was to take without our permission, you know. This one is bearing fruit there. So that's bearing fruit here. You can see there are very many here, which we have the fruits are very many. The banana fruits, you can see them. Though these ones are not ready, they are not ready yet, but there are some which are ready. Like there is this one here. This one it fell down. It was fallen by the wind. Oh, the wind. This is the wind here. So we decided it is still here yet. It is not yet cut because it is not mature. You can't harvest it still. So we have left it there to continue, maybe being in a state where it can be harvested. Another one is here. Another one is there. So you can see the fruits are very many. So you can see this one here was stolen here, guys. You can see this one was stolen by someone here. I don't know the person though, but it was stolen. It was stolen, and the person went with it. It was a very big one. Actually, it was like it was more than this one here. It was a very big banana, more than as bigger than this one. It was bigger than this one here, but it found its legs. It changed the position, the ownership. You know, the ownership changed. The fact that it is somebody, maybe the guy was very hungry, or maybe I don't know what he's gonna use for it. Maybe he's gonna sell it. I don't know. But all in all, that's life. That's life. You just need to take things positively, you know. That's life. You just need to take things positively there. So guys, let's go and plant some beautiful trees here. Let's walk and plant some beautiful trees at home here. So this is Mwami. Mwami, just say hi.
Hi.
Yes, how are you doing, man?
I'm fine.
So how is life? How is life?
Life is okay.
I see you have got a very nice smile.
Yes, because it is a good morning.
It's a good morning.
Yes.
And we thank the Lord, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So Mwami, where should we plant the trees? Where should we plant the trees? Can you just
around near here?
Around the guys, we are trying to figure out where we're going to plant these trees here. They are just ornamental trees, not big trees. They're not the trees that grows big, you know, just some beautiful ornamental trees. So we are trying to figure out where we can plant them. And look at this, guys. This is a tomato. Mommy, this is a tomato. A tomato plant, you know. Yes. This one just grew up here by itself. So you sit hapa. You wacha tu imee hapa.
Weke mbolea.
Mbolea hiyo hata tu imee peke yake. Itakuwa tu sawa.
Tutunga miti tu.
Tutunge miti hivi tumpe support.
So unajua hii miti itaki mahali inaenda kuwa disturbed. Ndio. So here can be okay.
Yeah. So guys, we are trying to look for a place, a better place where we can plant the trees. Alafu mami, unaona hapa kuna nini? Unafaa utengeneze hapa. Hapo ni hapo wacha niangalie kama huku side itakuwa sawa. Tupande hiyo miti. So we're trying to look for a better place to plant those beautiful trees there. Okay. Unaona hapo iko sawa? Unaona ziko mbili. Sasa moja sijui tutapanda wapi. Piga nini kubwa. Hebu shikilie kamera. Kuja tu.
Unataka round?
Nataka round. Piga round. Iko sawa. Ndio kuongeza sasa chimba ikienda chini. Sasa nishikilie hivi. Bas, there goes the two trees. This will be the first one. Then we're gonna add another one here.
Yes.
This side here. I'm kuja utugonge vile nimegonga hapa. Na ndani kidogo. So we want to plant them, guys. Weka tu chini. I'll start to hapo kwanza hapo chini. So these trees here, they are just ornamental trees. They don't grow tall. the trees that doesn't grow tall, just for beautification, you know, just to add beauty. So omwami, kata nini, kata hii, toa hiyo nini.
Karatasi. Nikata hivi ama?
Toa tu hii kwanza, toa. Weka chini, weka tu chini.
Ni rarue?
Rarua. Usitoe nini, usitoe mchanga. Kama mchanga umetoa.
Bado zitatoa.
Hebu nishikilie hii kitu. Mchanga umetoa. Toa na hii.
Kwa nini?
Mchanga umetoa.
Bado
umetoa. Hebu weka hapa. Mwami kwani unafanya kazi gani bana? Si ungefanya hivi.
hii mti utashika bwana, mvua mingi. Hata ifai tutoa hapo.
Unafaa usipotoa hapo itamea aje?
Tutoe na chini.
Hebu kuja unishikilie hii nini.
Si ndio?
Usipotoa kwa hiyo jole itanini aje?
Tungekuwa na kitu ngeza hivi la.
Hichi ni
Chana nyingine.
Hebu shika hiki. Hii kitu ungetoa tu hivi. Hivi tu. Hivi tu. Siko sawa.